Welcome to Quick Service Auto Glass, your go-to local expert for windshield crack repair. Right here in the heart of Woodland Hills, California. Whether it's a tiny chip or a massive crack, we've got you covered. Driving with a cracked windshield? That's a big no-no. Even a small crack can spread like wildfire, compromising your vehicle's safety and visibility. At Quick Service Auto Glass, we use cutting-edge technology and top-notch techniques to repair your windshield, making it as strong as new. Check out the amazing difference. Our expert technicians work swiftly to restore your windshield's integrity, giving you total peace of mind on the road. And here are the 5-star reviews from our satisfied customer. This auto glass company is the epitome of efficiency and professionalism. They promptly replaced my cracked windshield and had me back on the road in no time. Need a quick and reliable windshield repair? Call us today at 818-264-4589 or visit our website at www.quickserviceautoglass.com to schedule your appointment. And check out more of our 5-star reviews and get directions to our location by visiting our Google My Business page at the link.